Hey everyone, this is Peter Allen, your friendly English coach, and welcome back to English with Peter Allen. If you're learning English and still saying, I'm fine, thank you, we need to talk. Today, I'll show you 5 things English learners say that sound unnatural and what native speakers say instead. Stick around for a free gift and a chance to level up your English fast. We've all learned this in school, but guess what? Native speakers almost never say that. Instead, they say, I'm good. Thanks. Not bad. How about you? Can't complain. We say, I really like it, or I like it a lot. Why? Because very doesn't go before verbs like. English logic. I know. Careful with verbs. It should be, he has a car. It's a simple fix, but it makes a big difference. Missing a two. Always say, I want to eat. This tiny two is a big deal in English. Careful, this means you're a boring person. Say, I'm bored. This shows how you feel. This movie is boring. It describes something. To sound more native in English, start using real life phrases like, that makes sense. No worries. I'm on it. It's up to you. These small changes can make you sound 10 times more fluent. Personal feedback to stop mistakes like this for good? Join my private classes on AmazingTalker. You'll speak more confidently in few weeks, not years. I'll help you prepare for IELTS exam, job interviews, or just sound more like a native person. Click on the link below. Book your first class. Spaces are filling up. Hey, I've made a free PDF with today's tips and some bonus phrases. It's in the description, totally free. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which mistake you've made before. Let's improve together, one phrase at a time.